Hello and welcome. This instructional video will show you the step-by-step how to correctly clean and take care of your new baby monitor. Clean the baby monitor with a slightly damp cloth or an anti-static cloth. Never use cleaning agents or abrasive solvents. Do not clean any part of the product with thinners or other solvents and chemicals, as this may cause permanent damage to the product which is not covered by the warranty. Keep the camera away from hot, humid areas or strong sunlight and do not let it get wet. Every effort has been made to ensure high standards of reliability for your baby monitor. However, if something does go wrong, please do not try to repair it yourself. Please visit chillaxcare.com and contact customer support for assistance. At the end of the product life cycle, you should not dispose of this product with normal household waste. Take this product to a collection point for the recycling of electronic and electrical equipment. The symbol on the product, user's guide, and box indicates this. The internal battery should be disposed of with the parent unit in an environmentally friendly manner according to your local regulations. If you have any additional questions, please visit chillaxcare.com for further assistance, FAQs, and more. Thank you for watching our step-by-step tutorial.